Welcome to my vlog! So, for today's video, mag-unboxing tayo guys. So, bumili ako ng ito. DIY Money all-in-one. It's a gel palette. Open it guys, and anyway, this is my tulips. It's not really pretty unlike the other one in my the one it's nice. This one is not really nice, but it's still pretty though. So let's open this box. Actually, it's matagal na tong dumating eh. Ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan. Yan. And guys, I'm so excited. Ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan. Matagal na itong dumating, last week pa. So this is, paano ba to? How? Parang hindi siya maano. Alay, why? Ano ba yan? It's so hard to open it. Color key naman, ang hirap naman. So guys, struggle is real. So I find out how to open it easily. Ay, kangingot na delicious. So, charan! Yan. May ano pa sila, may cards, application guide. Be bold, be me, be BEETLES. Beetles daw. And then, UV LED nail lamp. Manual. Ano siya guys, may tips siya kung paano gamitin. And tsaka, yeah, yung mga mga nail files. Yan, ang cute. Pink. Same ng aking suot. And then, sana pink din tong pero purple siya. It's fine. And then, meron siyang, oh, that's good. I have new nail cutter. And then, pusher and filing. And then, this one too. And files. Brush. That's it. And then I think this is for the yeah, the polish, the gel polish. So I choose the nude white, like red brown, and then silver glitters, gold glitters, and like light pink. I like this. I like this color. Yan. Ano siya? 2 for... Ay, ito siya guys. Oh. Yan yung color niya. Yan. 6 pieces. 2 for 6. And then, meron siyang charger. And then, meron pa. Dalawa. Ano tong isa? Nakalagay made in China. Ano kaya to? Baka ito yung ito yung oil. Yeah, yung cuticle oil. Yan guys, yan. Yan, char. May paganyan pa. Tapos, ito naman. Ano ba yan? Ba't Yan. Ito. Pasensya na guys. Hindi siya plastado. Dito. Oh, tatlo. Ito yung ba? Top coat. Yeah. Top coat, guys. Yan. And then the other one is... Oh, meron siyang top coat na if you want matte. Yan, matte siya. Matte. Yan, matte siya, guys. Matte. Yan. Charing, may paganyan. Vlogger yarn. And then the base coat. Yan, guys. Yan. Ang base coat niya, guys. Base gel. Yeah, ito siguro yung base ano yun. And the rest is ang ano niya, ang UV light. Oh, so may timer siya if you want. So ito na siya, guys. Ipapasok mo dyan yung kamay mo, ganyan. Yan. So meron siyang mga ano dito, oh. Yan. Meron siyang 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. And then this is on and off. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ano niya, oh. Ayan. So ito lahat yung ano niya, guys. So ito yan siya, guys. Ayan. Ilagay mo yung kamay mo dito. Ayan. Tapos, may oras lang siya dyan kung ilan ang gusto mo. 30, 60, or 120 seconds. And then, that's it. And then, the one. Anyway, guys, I got this one from Amazon for, I think, 39 something. Like that. Ayan. So, anyway, guys, kaya nakapag-decide ako bumili ng gel kasi na-proven ko siya na matagal siyang matanggal. Maganda siya lalo na pag magbabakasyon kayo ng ilang araw, like 1 week, 2 weeks, hindi siya agad-agad nagbabakbak, hindi kagaya nung natural polish na natatanggal agad. So, maganda ito pag may bakasyon ka. So, tignan mo tong aking nails. Ito pa yung nag-Las Vegas kami. Ano na ito? More than almost 2 weeks na. Magto 2 weeks na ito. Maganda pa rin siya. Yan. Tignan nyo siya. Yan. Kaya nakapag-decide akong why not try the gel? Because I don't wanna spend much money in the salon. So, I better do it myself. That's why I bought my set. And this is my remembrance for my online streaming. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you like it. And then, I'm gonna try to do another video again. If it's worth it and how to do it, maybe I'm gonna show you if I have time, if I don't feel lazy to do the vlogs. And then, yeah, that's it. I think that's it, guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!